Let's get ready to work with the localization dashboard in Unreal Engine 5. To check the current state of your translations directly in the game, use Standalone Game Mode. In my project, we've already sent out the initial texts for translation quite some time ago. However, we're still making frequent changes to the content, which means the translations also need regular updates to stay in sync. Double-check that everything is properly configured in the localization dashboard. In my case, under the Include Paths section, I've added a dedicated folder containing the game's content, as well as the plugin responsible for the options menu. The cleaner and more organized your project structure is, the less cleanup you'll have to do later when managing translations. It saves a lot of time and hassle. Make sure your localization dashboard is working correctly. Download the required Python script. For working with Python scripts, I strongly recommend using PyCharm. It's a fantastic IDE that makes writing, running, and debugging code much smoother and more efficient. I use two English cultures, ENGB as the native language, and EN for adjustments. For now, let's export the .po file for the native English culture. This file will contain all gathered texts from the game, complete with keys, contexts, and the original English strings, ready to be sent to translators or used as a base for other languages. Now, let's convert the selected .po file into a CSV format. This will make it much easier for translators to work with the texts. They can simply open the file in tools like Excel or Google Sheets, fill in the translations, and send it back to us. We can perform the conversion while simultaneously cleaning the CSV of duplicates, ensuring that all the texts in the resulting file are unique. This step greatly simplifies the translation process. Translators only work with each string once, and we avoid unnecessary repetition. Keep in mind that some identical strings in the game may actually have different meanings depending on their context. For example, the word close. Because of this, removing duplicates is entirely at your own risk. You might accidentally force the same translation for phrases that should be translated differently in various situations. This is how the CSV file looks that you'll be sending to translators. It's clean, organized, and easy to work with. They can simply open it in Excel or Google Sheets, add translations in the designated column, and return it to you without any hassle. And this is how the CSV file will look when you receive it back from the translators. They've filled in the dedicated translation column with the localized strings while leaving the original keys, contexts, and source text untouched, making it ready for the next step, importing the updated translations back into Unreal Engine. I've removed the comment column. It's not needed for translation work. Now it's time to fill in the missing translations. For this step, we'll export the Chinese language from the localization dashboard. Configure the Python script to read from column 9. Remember, columns are zero-indexed, so 0 is the first column, 1 the second, and 9 is the 10th column. This will be the one containing the Chinese translations provided by the translator. Once the script processes the returned CSV, it will automatically update only the empty or missing entries in your main.po file, leaving existing translations untouched. After removing the comment column from your CSV file, don't forget to save the changes. Now we can re-import our updated .po file back into the project. Don't forget to compile the translations afterward. That's crucial, because only compiled translations will actually show up when you test in standalone game mode. Let's do it right now. Import the file, hit compile, and then fire up Standalone with your target language selected. You'll instantly see all the new and updated texts in action. You can also convert the CSV directly into a brand new .po file if you want. However, I still strongly recommend using the Fill Missing Translations option instead. It's much safer because it only updates empty entries in your existing .po file without risking any accidental overwrites or loss of previously approved translations.